Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to make permanent bracelet designs using our Angel Heart Birthstone connectors. First we have the aquamarine flower design. Here is the tools and materials you will need. First you can go ahead and connect your heart connector to the end of your chain using one of your jump rings. Next you can go ahead and connect the flower connector to the other end of your heart connector using another jump ring. And then lastly, you can just go ahead using your last jump ring, connect that bracelet around your wrist, and you are all done. Next, we have the emerald heart design. Here's the tools and materials you will need. First, you can go ahead and use a jump ring to connect your heart connector to the end of your chain. If you want the permanent design, you can go ahead and take this to your local jeweler to get it soldered. Next, you can take another jump ring and connect your heart connector to the other end of your Birthstone connector. And lastly, you can go ahead and attach that around your wrist using your last jump ring. Here are both designs again. Check out our channel for more design ideas.